Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're speedrunning again. And, you know, we're trying to beat the time of 4 minutes and 40. Oh my god, I saw him. Just run. Just run. Just run. Yes! Yep. Right here. Don't even get jump scared. Just take the shortcut. Oh my god. Bro, W monsters right now. Oh my god, never mind. Little spooky boy. Spooky wookie. Bro, where's the other kid? Are you going or not? Not you, the other kid. We're already in level 3, bro. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Great timing, monster. Oh my god. I will strangle this monster. Alright, nice. I'm literally meeting you there right now. Bro, we're in level 3 if you want to go. Oh my god, this kid is sad because his headset is at 10. Like, oh my god, it's at 10, bro. That's still a lot. Run. I know, like, for real. Sometimes you see them a lot like that. Yeah, see, you see them a lot. See, you see them a lot. Well, you see them often. Go, back. He turned around. Just run. Just run to the very end first. We call them Talkies or Tic-Tacs. We have no preference on what you call them. Just for red, call him red Tic-Tac or Talkie, I don't care. For blue, call him blue Tic-Tac. Oh, what the hell? It's already open. Here, it's already open, but technically that's cheating, so. Okay, so basically we just switched POVs. Alright, so just right here, just click the button. Go back. Very end one. Come on. And time. Oh my god, 3 minutes and 35. Woo, buddy. Woo, 3 minutes and 35. Alright. Yeah. Alright. It's PANDO 9872. PANDO 9872. 9872. Alright, and that's all. It's a pug and my username is pug. Alright. Let me accept it really quickly. Woo! Load faster request. Thank you. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I made that a bit long for me just friending. But 3 minutes and 35.
Oh my god, you're scary.
Yeah, 3 minutes and 35. That's a new record. Maybe a world record. I don't know. Bye.